If your Mercedes GLS Apple CarPlay is acting up or refusing to connect, follow these steps to reset your system in under 2 minutes. Statistically, 80% of persistent connectivity issues are software glitches that can be cleared without visiting a dealership. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into manageable steps. Start by confirming your physical connection, as worn cables or debris in the USB-C port are the most common culprits. Next, verify your iPhone settings, specifically ensuring that Siri is enabled and that no content restrictions are blocking the connection. Inside the Mercedes MBUX interface, verify that your specific device is marked as an authorized connection for smartphone integration. If these steps fail to restore functionality, you are likely looking at a hardware fault that requires a professional diagnostic scan. As shown here, the vast majority of issues are resolved by simply swapping your cable or performing a head unit soft reset. If you still have no success, perform a hard reboot of the MBUX system by holding the power button until the screen restarts. Keep a high-quality cable and a basic scanner in your glove box to save time on future troubleshooting sessions. Remember that modern infotainment systems are essentially computers, and they occasionally need a clean slate to function correctly. If this guide helped you get back to your music, hit subscribe for more Mercedes-specific maintenance tips.